Hello and welcome back to our 5 years of Yamatai vlogs. We're here in Utrecht at, can't even see that because of the face tracking, but De Helen in Utrecht for our 5 years of Yamatai with the rolling crew. Here with Amos, Ill Truth, Minor Forms, Lex, Reedy and Terence and Abstract, hosted by Innate MC. So come with me as I showcase this evening in vlog style. Hope you enjoy.
I know, mate.
Why does it look like that?
I don't know. I haven't got the extender like this tripod, mate.
Big bass, sexiness, yes.